G'day one, BA's here. Today we'll do the unboxing of the Lenovo ThinkStation P330. Now I've actually done the unboxing and review of the P330 Tiny already, and which is its smaller brother there, and it was such a surprise on how much power it had in such a small form factor. Now this is its bigger brother in a MIDI tower, so it has even more space, which means it has more configurations in this as well. Now this is a workstation, so you're more than likely you'll find these in professional places, especially maybe in labs, instrument computers. You'll find these doing CAD work, so a lot of professional works and doing a lot of number crunching, data analysis. This is what these are designed for. So it can handle games, but that's not what it is actually designed for. These are designed to run doing a lot of number crunching and doing it for a very long period of time. So you're looking at 24/7 what these are designed for. So this is the year 2020, and I checked something out on this. It's made in China. Oh, so I've got to get myself prepared for this. So not only do I have my trustworthy knife to do the unboxing, I'm going to get my kit out here. So I've got my hand sanitizer. I've got my face mask to make sure this is going to be good. I've got my goggles to make sure I've eye protected there. So I'm going to put that on first. Oh, put my face mask on there. There we go. Now, not only do I have that, got dental wipe, got some gloves. I better put those on too first as well too, shouldn't I? That's probably the first thing I need to do. Oh, got some good gloves there. Let's get these gloves going. Not only do I have that, got some eco cleaner. Now this is really cool. This is actually a local product here. It's called True Eco. Not really trying to do advertising here for it. It's amazing what they're trying to do with it, but check them out anyway. So that's a really good thing. I've got my vinegar here as well, just to make sure this is going to be clean as, okay? So let's desanitize this stuff. Oh, bit of freaking, oh, you know what I forgot to do? The cure for coronavirus. Freaking bog rag. That's what I nearly had. I'll put that around. I need that in a moment. So let's start. Oh, sorry. Let's start it off quickly. There, I've got a bit of that on. Get a bit of this wipe. Oh, turn it off. Oh, we need a bit of this. A bit of vinegar. Make sure that's good. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I'm gonna check. Make sure it's nice and clean. A bit of lemon. Oh, that should clean that up nice and things. I need a dental wipe here too as well too. So better clean that up. That should do nicely. And you know, of course our bog roll. That's the cure for coronavirus, isn't it? Oh, let's come on. Need one of those things. Nice and clean there. Beautiful. Should be good. Now I better clean this up too. I forgot about that. We need to clean this up. I think we might be safe now. So let's get this stuff out here. I think we're safe now for this coronavirus, but let's be serious here. As much as the coronaviruses are things from China, they have said medically viruses only live on these hard surfaces for about 6 to 12 hours. So by the time it comes over here, even by ship or plane, you should be all right. So don't be afraid to receive stuff from China, okay? So definitely not one I will be afraid of. That's about it. So let's do the unboxing of this computer here. Let's move all these aside here. All right, so first let's just do this. Let's do the strip here. Here. Oh, I do that there. Doesn't look like I've actually got a very clean cut there, do I? Let's do that again. All right. Oh, that's some stickies there. There we go, we're good. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, let's have a look. Now, as I always say, how to unpack these boxes is a very easy way to do it. Now, you can take some of this stuff out. So I'm going to actually do it this way here, just to make things easier. So I've got some, let's have a look what this is. Let me sit back down and let's move this across to the side. Chuck that down in there. Let's have a look. Let's just do it side by side. What do we got here? What do we have here? I'm just moving some stuff out here. All right, out of the way. Documentations. We'll read that later, hey? All right, what do we got here? Now, this is an interesting sort of cable here. It's a mini display port, and it's got a clip too. Really nice. Interesting. And we also have, and that's a mini display port to display port, which is the normal one, which is great to go. I'll put it aside. We've got a mouse here, USB mouse, fantastic. Another mini display port to display port. Again, it's got the little clip here. I think I'll try and open one up so you can actually have a look at what that really is about. I'm talking about this clip. So this clip here, so it's really nice, so you can't really unplug this by accident. Fantastic. And of course the power cable here to plug it in here. Now let's have a look what else we've got here. Some cardboard, keyboard, of course. Let's have a look. I don't expect a fancy keyboard here. These are Workstation, so you can get Bluetooth ones here, but this is a USB one as always. And I like USB. I know a lot of people don't like this USB, wireless and stuff like that. I like USB. You know why I like USB? Because these things are trustworthy. They don't run on batteries. These never break down as much. So you don't have to worry about supporting these things. Oh my God, having to worry about batteries all the time is ridiculous. So these things may look bad having it connected, but less support on these things. So these are fantastic. I love having USB keyboards. And again, good old style. Look how much travel there is on these things. I love it. Fantastic. All right, let's get on to the computer itself. So, I've got more. Oh, what's this thing here? That's an interesting thing. So I've just pulled out. What have I pulled out? This. I have actually no idea what this is. I'm gonna have to ask Lenovo or look at it later. Okay, hold a second. This could be a little help stand. So there is some instructions here. It says fold these to this way. So let's do that. And you fold it again this way here. And then it clips on itself. Look, I haven't even gone into the computer yet, so I'm just actually just clipping this. There we go. That's meant to clip on. Oh, sorry. I've gone the other way around. It's meant to come this way. All right. That's what that is. Probably a stand for, it's probably for the cables is what I'm thinking. It's a cable tie for that. I'll put that aside there for the time being. Now I've got the computer to go, so let's get it out. Okay. So I'm just gonna put it behind me. Okay, I've got some foam. Let's get it out. All right. Okay, it's not a mini tower. This is the small form factor. My fault there, because I don't know what I got half the time. That's a small form factor one, which is still very good here. I can see I've got an i7 version here. Okay, very nice build. Good feel to it as well too. So nice as always. So like I said, I'm thinking this just slips underneath here or something like that. I haven't really worked it out, did I? I'm a very good reviewer, did I? Especially a good unboxing. I have to read out what that is later, so I'm gonna cut if I find out what this is. I haven't actually worked out what this thing is for yet. Try to look at the documentation, it's not there, so I'm gonna have to look online for this. But I might have to contact Lenovo what this is. I suspect again is some sort of cable tie, sort of cable management system here, but I could be wrong about that and how to actually put that on. But it's going to be interesting. I will actually tell you exactly what it is in the review video. And I will make a review video when I spend some time with this as well too. Now on a serious note, everyone, we're in difficult times at the moment with the coronavirus going out, and we do need to show our patience, especially to manufacturers. They have a lot of delays in shipping and a lot of back orders as well too. So we do need to have patience for a lot of our manufacturers, not just Lenovo, but all other manufacturers, even for any other products as well. And we also need to worry about, even though we do need to worry about our health, but we need to also show our patience to other people as well. So try not to be like discriminate with other people wearing masks or anything like that. So we need to show our patience in that. And also, guys, support your local businesses as well, because they do need our support to actually survive through this difficult time as well. If you find this video informative or enjoyed it, give it a like and also share it as well. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner screen. I do try to upload a new video every Tuesday. And just remember, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll see you next video.